Hey everybody, it's Nick. Sorry for the audio quality. I don't have my headset right now, but I just want to talk about really quickly how to install plugins to make sure that they work. So right now, when you're in Grasshopper, in order to install a plugin, you want to go File, Special Folders, Components, and then you go into your desktop or wherever you have your files. Make sure that they're like unzipped, and you can just drag that Grasshopper assembly file or like .gha file into that directory, and I've already placed it there, and that'll basically put it there. And then what you need to do is actually restart Rhino in order for that plugin to load. You might see these error messages here, like an attempt was made to load something, an error occurred. The reason for that is because sometimes those assemblies will come in like blocked by Windows for your safety. So to fix that, you just right-click the file, and then go to Properties, and then go to Unblock down here. Go ahead and click OK. Same thing with any other like library that you might have already installed, and that should pretty much take care of any of those kinds of problems. And then go ahead and restart Rhino. Okay, so that should address some of the technical issues. Okay, I'll talk to you soon.